Hey everybody, Cale with Melling Engine Parts. Melling realizes the frustration that can come with owning and attempting to repair a vehicle equipped with a multi-displacement system, which is commonly known in the industry as MDS. Your vehicle's engine may be experiencing repeat lifter failure, misfire codes, or valve train noise caused by a failure in your MDS system. Melling now offers an alternative. MDK200 is an MDS Delete Kit designed to replace most of the hard parts associated with the MDS system in Gen 3 HEMI engines that use either the MC1398 or MC1402 stock replacement camshaft. This Melling Delete Kit contains an OEM quality or better non-MDS camshaft, full set of premium non-MDS lifters, lifter trays, and the MDS block-off plugs required to delete the MDS system on your engine. Keep in mind that there will be additional components and steps required to completely delete the MDS system on your engine, such as but not limited to all associated gaskets and bolts, as well as an updated software package that will disable the MDS system in the engine control module. Disabling the MDS on your vehicle might not be legal in all states and may void the manufacturer's warranty. Make sure to check out the part finder at melling.com to find the correct kit and components for your specific application. And as always, thanks for watching.